For just one day, Santa Claus's workshop moved from the North Pole to Schnecksville, making special toys for special children.
It's awesome. I mean, we're like Santa's elves, man.
It's a well-oiled machine, as you probably saw. It looks like mass chaos from the outside, but they really do know their roles. They are very willing to help, and it's really neat to see everybody come together to get a job done.
When battery-powered toys turn on with a small switch, they can be hard to use for people with physical disabilities in their hands. So Danielle Argot says those tiny switches are being replaced with much larger ones that can be activated with a simple tap or bop. This is the 2022 CLIU Toy Adaptation Day.
Those toys are taken apart, rewired to accept an external switch, which has been 3D printed and put together, so that switch can be activated by a head, a hand, a leg, and then that activates the toy.
And it takes a village with lots of wiring and soldering to make this happen. There are 4 different stations run by students from 4 different programs: Thorpe Area High School, CLIU Work-Based Learning, Carbon Learning and Achievement School, and Lehigh Career Technical Institute. Braxton Hilmer from LCTI likes to make sure the toys he adapts have both switches just in case.
For most of the ones I did, I just wired the switch in parallel to the existing switch. That allows both the factory switch and the modded switch to work with the product still.
And Bodie Hancock, also from LCTI, loves being part of this adaptation day because he understands the importance of personalizing a toy while really enjoying the tinkering process.
Anytime a toy of mine breaks, and I know how it feels if like a kid's toy breaks or if there's something wrong with a toy that's hard to use, but I kind of feel a bit happy that people now can use the toys and have a very good Christmas.
We often get pictures back from parents with the students working with the toys at home or in the classroom, and it's really great and rewarding to see that excitement.